Wow. Already? Alright folks, welcome back to another episode of Odyssey Life. I'm Bernie. This is the Odyssey Life Workshop, and I'm super excited that you stopped by today. Because today, we have an Fl350 rip riding video, guys. That's right, don't forget, me and my nephew Nick, we were out there a couple weekends ago. We spent the night out there, and yeah, we cut down a lot of trees, cut down a lot of the underbrush, so we could access all the trails that have been there, but have been inaccessible because of trees being down. And if you haven't caught last week's video, go ahead, check that out. We revealed the color, scheme, and theme of our Fl350 giveaway project. Go ahead, check that out. Super exciting, guys. We even have a name for it, but I'm not going to tell you what it is. You'll have to go back and check it out. And all this cool stuff is sponsored by our proud sponsor, Joe from Odd ATV. Don't forget to swing on over there, because Joe is the premier place for Fl350 and 350 parts. Go over there, get yourself something to keep your machine running. So yeah, guys, we're going to be heading out to the Odyssey Life Test Track. 3 miles of new tracks, ripping and riding. Let's get moving. We made it out here to the Odyssey Life Test Track. If you haven't been here before and you're new to the channel, behind me is about 3 miles worth of trails, hills, hill climbs, straight stretches, loop-de-doos. We're super excited. Odyssey Life Test Track, 3 miles of trails. Enough jibber-jabbering, let's get riding. Wow. Already? Unbelievable. I am so sick right now. We got another rim. I'm running back to the Odyssey Life garage to grab more tools. I don't have the right tools with me to fix this, so I shall return. Oh man, here we go again. This just went from a rip and ride video to a recovery video. This rim isn't that bad. I brought tools and we're gonna go ahead, jack this up, pop his tire off. I brought the tools. We're gonna go ahead, try to get this rim straightened enough that it'll hold air so we can see if we did any damage to our rear end. I hope not. Let's check this out. Now that we're jacked up, let's get this tire off. Let me get you in here while I pound. How about that? We pretty much got that straightened out. We can do a little better. We'll have to take it to work and get it done. Let's get this thing to the gas station. Let's get some air in it. And let's get back here for our ripping and riding video. We got our rim fixed. Everything looks straight. So we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna get back to ripping and riding. Sorry about the delay, but these are the perils of riding in the woods. Let's do it. Oh man, guys, it really sucks when we can't end the video after a good ripping ride, but it turns out that our driven clutch is seized up and it's not allowing us to get all the power to the ground. So we're gonna get this baby back to the Odyssey Life garage. We're gonna get that driven clutch pulled off in a future episode. We're gonna get it cleaned up and we're gonna get her serviced and put back on there. So yeah guys, I guess until next week, I'm gonna be at the Odyssey Life garage tearing this apart and getting ready for our to finish up that transmission rebuild on our Fl350 giveaway. The GT250, and all that goodness is sponsored by our proud sponsor Joe from Odd ATV. Don't forget about Joe. Head over to Odd ATV and get something to keep your machine running. Have a good week. See you soon, guys.